Hello everybody, it's me, Pugface McGee. Last episode was quite a long one, unless I cut it down a bit, but, I forgot to do an outro, so, yeah. What the? What? Okay. What? Well, I don't think that's supposed to happen. I don't think that's supposed to happen at all. Well, I mean, this is a good way to see what's going on. There's something right here. Already lost. What was that? What was that? Oh. Oh, come on. Screwdriver. Cool. Up here it is. I mean, this feels kind of important. I don't know at all what I'm doing. He told me to look for the bubbles. And I haven't seen any bubbles, but I've seen a lot of stuff down here. Okay. I'm in here now. Something tells me this area was not well made. Okay. So it randomly... yeah. Where the heck am I? Let me swim into the surface. Am I not? Oh boy, am I inside something? No? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's talk to this dude again and see what he has to say. Oh, there you are. I don't really need that. Hey.
I'm not getting enough pressure. Some of the pipe gaskets must be letting air out and flooding the pump. You see any bubbles on the surface? You should be able to follow those down
Oh,
to
on the
source of the leak.
surface. Oh, here we go. Okay, that's what I'm supposed to be doing. Great. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, I guess really not everybody would have had the choice to breathe underwater, and not many people would have taken it even if they did, so I imagine I just accidentally picked that and it just worked out really good for exploring this area, but not actually doing the quest. So yeah, I imagine a lot of people would just... oh, fuck. Oh, there it is. A lot of people would just look for the bubbles on the top, go down, and come back up for air, you know? Okay. Now I can return to him. Oh, oh, come on. Let me out. Let me out. There we go. Oh boy. But yeah, with the last episode, pre-editing, it ended up being 39 minutes, so we're gonna see if I can slim that down in the area where I just died a bunch.
You do the honors. Hit that switch on the end of the pump.
Great. Thank you. Kinda makes no sense that he wasn't able to do that.
Wait a second. Did you hear that? Let's do this.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Follow.
Damn it! Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Come back here, damn it!
Oh my god. Oh, I thought the freaking thing had a gun for a second. Oh boy. Did he just die? Oh no, he didn't. They're just trying to find ways to get at me. What the hell are you doing? Get your ass back here. You okay? You'll be fine. Now where's the second one? Did you get it? Oh, you got it. I'll take
Should
its
be
meat.
some way to... Ah, there it is.
So I'll cook it at a cooking station.
Meyer lurks. I guess I shouldn't be surprised that stirred him up. Anyway, I still got some tinkering to do on this thing. Shouldn't be too hard now, though. Thanks for pitching in. Here's a little something before you clear out.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, I leveled up. That means I get a perk. Let's see. Can I? Oh, yeah, I can increase, like, my base ones so that I can get more skills. Like, if I want to get blacksmith, then I need to get this and send that. Charisma, buying and selling prices are better. Okay. Faithful canine companion can hold an enemy. Oh. Commune with beasts. Oh, I'm gonna take that. Any animal below my level. Don't know what that means, but I'll take it. So I have to just aim at it? Okay. Aim your gun at a target and then press E. Okay, cool. So I can pacify it. Or attempt to pacify it, I guess. Do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Maybe if I close off this
If your
intake,
level lower,
I
be
can get enough
careful.
pressure.
If your attempt is detected, friendly bystanders may become hostile. Oh. So a lot of things, well, some things just don't like the idea of me trying to tame them. Is it going lower? It looked like it was getting lower for a second, but now it doesn't.
Hi. You mind? I'm busy here.
Fuck you. Look what I just did for you. You could just be like, oh no, I'm busy right now, we could talk to you later. You mind? I'll come back. Once this place is drained and I have no use for you anymore, you're dead. If I even remember to do that. I probably won't. Huh. But yeah. I do want to play Dark Souls though. Continuing the conversation from last episode. But yeah. Dark Souls is something that I can and probably will do. Though probably just Dark Souls 3. I don't know about the previous two. Where am I going? Oh, here. Glad that I picked endurance because I feel like I run slow or I like can't run long as it is, but because of my stamina I imagine I'm running faster than I could without it. Unless I need to actually put skill points into stamina, then I'm just as just as weak and exhausted as anybody else. Where am I going? Wasn't it just there that I needed to go? Oh, was that a different town? Oops. Hey buddy, there's where I found you. You remember that place? Yeah, I guess Concord was where I met the Minuteman and all those people. And then this is a different place. Wild what? Oh, mutt fruit. This is a... I feel safe on this bridge, I'll tell you that much. Okay. Where are they trying to have me go? Why are you out here? Hey.
You know that settlement you sent me to help? They've decided to join the Minutemen.
That's great
Hey.
news. I knew you were the right person for the job.
Thank you.
By the way, you should have one of these flare guns. You can use it to signal for help from any nearby Minutemen. Not much
Oh,
use
great.
yet, but once we have more allied settlements, you'll have help whenever you need it.
Great.
I guess you know I'm one of the last of the Minutemen. But I never really told you what happened to us.
If you're ready.
I figured you'd tell me when you were ready.
Have you heard of the Quincy massacre?
No.
No.
I thought everyone in the Commonwealth knew about that by now.
I'm not
Where
from the
Minutemen
Commonwealth.
betrayed each other.
I'm from
and the people they
America.
were supposed to protect. I was with Colonel Hollis's group. A mercenary group called the Gunners was attacking Quincy. The people there called for the Minutemen to help. We were the only ones that came. The other groups, they just turned their backs on us and the folks in Quincy. Only a few of us got out alive. Colonel Hollis was dead, so I ended up in charge of the survivors. We never found a safe place to settle. One disaster after another. You saw how it ended in Concord?
Know how it feels?
I know how it feels to be the last survivor.
Yeah, I guess you do. That's why I'm talking to you. I can't rebuild the Minutemen, but I think you can.
Thanks.
Hey, that means a lot coming from you, Garvey.
I appreciate
I wish you would
that.
just left at thanks.
Does
Just
that
like,
mean you'll do it?
thanks. Yeah,
Okay,
why not?
I'll do
I
it.
got nothing else to
Good.
do.
Good.
Oh!
Welcome aboard. I feel like this is a whole
I got
new
a
start for
companion,
the Minutemen
guys!
and the Commonwealth too.
I got my
Don't
very
worry.
first
I'll be
companion.
right beside you all the way, General.
I'm a general now. Quite a promotion.
That's quite a promotion you just gave me.
The leader of the Minutemen has always held
Do I
the
get
rank
your
of general.
sick clothes
Our
now?
last leader was General Becker. After he died back in '82, nobody could agree on who should take his place. The one good thing about being the last Minuteman is there's no one to argue with me when I say you're the new general. Now it's your job to make it more than an empty
Oh,
title.
please tell me I'm able to wear your
Gotten word
sick
about a
clothes.
settlement that's being threatened by raiders. I'll mark it on your map. We'll find out what they
Okay.
need. We could use more settlements supporting our cause.
Hey, be my companion. Oh. Okay, so from what I can tell, companions don't
Is there
die.
something you need?
Follow me.
Come with me. I need your help.
I'm with you, General. Don't worry, Dogmeat. I'll take good care of him.
Oh, do I only get to have one at a time? Oh, so I exchange Sanctuary Hills. Yes. Okay, so I only get one at a time. So back when oh, look at that sick gun. So back when
Hey,
Okay.
hold position.
What am I doing?
wait, I just want to talk.
Excuse me.
Need something?
Chat.
What's on your mind?
The Commonwealth's a lot bigger than I realized.
Relationship.
How do you think things are between us?
I think you've got what it takes to be a great leader. But you still have to prove yourself.
So how do I get your clothes?
How are you feeling about things?
Don't know if I believe all those boogeyman stories about the Institute. It all sounds like paranoia to me.
That was it.
No problem.
Heads up.
Just point me to it.
Moving out.
Got it.
Great. Can I pickpocket you for your clothes? No, I cannot. Cool. I want to be wearing what you wear because what you wear looks sick. What is that? I have... Oh boy, I have that one. But then I have... another one. Oh, there. Oh, I can fast travel. Cool. Oh, that makes things so much easier. Cool. So I could just fast travel here. I could just fast travel to both places, basically, either time. What have you
You know
got?
what I call a good day? One that ends without an empty stomach.
Cool. Wait, it says gotta talk to someone. I've got a quest, like, what's going on? Basically says it's like right here. What even is it? Oh, is that just something I made? Oh yeah, that's just something I made. Cool. Okay. How did I why am I zoomed in now? Crap. Move mark. Okay. Let's figure out. Okay, so this is basically the closest place. Is that in water? Diamond City. It can't be in water, right? Maybe it's just like a different biome or something. At Oberland Station. Great. Yes. Every issue of Taboo Tattoos you get adds a new unique facial tattoo available at any facial reconstruction surgeon. Okay. My face isn't really seen much anyways, because I got it behind a raider mask. Oop. What the hell just... I don't know why Fallout decided to close on me. I mean, it's still open, but it closed, so... That is certainly odd. We should be safe. Why is my crosshair there? What the... I'm gonna pause the episode now. Okay guys, I fixed the issue. I'm gonna pause. I am back after restarting my computer, then realizing I did not have to restart my computer. Somehow the resolution of the game changed, which was causing the issues, because it changed to 1280 to 720 when I needed the 1990 to whatever the hell else is what, you know. So,
Here we go.
yeah. Mhm. There we go. I wasn't expecting that.
No point in leaving that for the scavengers.
Yeah, I
Wait.
agree.
Something's out there.
Is it? I need health. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have to mentally do the math on when I should end this episode, cause, yeah. Is there a cooking station? I wonder if there's a cooking station anywhere nearby. I'm not gonna exactly raid this place right now, cause I want to find a cooking station so I can cook my tatas. Cool. Hello, is there a cooking station out here? Here. Oof. Ought to be one in here. I mean, okay, I'll find a way around. Here we go. Is this it? Nope. Okay. I wonder what the difference between the normal feral ghoul and the feral ghoul reaver. God, say that 5 times fast. Feral ghoul reaver. I can't even say it 1 time fast. Shotgun shells. Yes. I wonder if because this city is kind of like abandoned, if that's why there's no cooking station. I've been here. Oh, wait. Yeah, I was heading somewhere else. That's right. Yeah, I was heading there. I thought I was already at the place I needed to be, and I was like, I don't recognize this place at all. Turns out I've been here. I know this place perfectly well. Yeah. I'm just... So, like, once this episode's about, like, 6 or 10 minutes, then, yeah. Not this episode overall, but because I'm having to record on a separate video. So, just because I restarted my computer, which only to find out I didn't need to do that. So, yeah. Boo for me. Yeah. If I get the money and I get Dark Souls 3, that's definitely going to be something that I play on this channel. I know that the Game Grumps play Dark Souls 3, but I never watched it fully. I've only seen, like, compilations, and I tried to watch it fully one time, but I only got through, like, 3 episodes or so. Oh. Listen how. Radio. Oh, here we go.
Automated message repeating.
I don't know how I found that, but yeah.
This is Scribe Halen of Reconnaissance Squad Gladius to any unit in transmission range. Authorization ARCS, Verum, 9-5. Our unit has sustained casualties, and we're running low on supplies. We're requesting support or evac from our position at Cambridge Police Station.
I don't know where that is. It's telling me to go to Cambridge Police Station.
Automated message repeating. This is Scribe Halen of Reconnaissance Squad Gladius to any unit in transmission range.
Oh,
Authorization ARCS,
that's not too far.
Verum, 9-5.
I can just head there right now.
Has sustained
I
casualties,
can
and
shut
we're
this
running
off,
low
I
on
guarantee it.
supplies.
I would listen to these radios if the music on them wouldn't get me copyrighted, so... Yeah. But yeah, I don't know, after this series, I don't know what I'll do next. I might do Owlboy, so if you want to know a bit about that, you can research that. I might do Portal 2. I might do Henry Stickmin, because Mark bought me the entire Henry Stickmin collection. So yeah. College Square. Okay. What the? I was trying to reload, but then I ended up hitting transfer, I guess. I need a cooking station. You got this, Harvey. Wait, your name's Harvey. No, Garvey. T. What did I say I was gonna... Oh yeah, I might. Well, actually, I'm gonna see everything else, 'cause... no thank you. Locksmith. Ooh, I'll definitely take that. Compute... In VATS. What's VATS? How do I do a VATS? Know their weaknesses. You can view a target's specific damage resistances in VATS. Keep your distance on kill count high attacks with non-automatic rifles. Do 20 more damage. Oh, cool. Some pickpocketing, lead belly. Oh yeah, I've read that. Vans. Let Vault Tech guide you. The path to your closest quest target is displayed in VATS. I don't know what VATS is. He keeps talking to me like I should know what VATS is. Is there a doctor in the house? Stimpaks restore 40% of lost health, and Radaway removes 40% of radiation. I should have gotten that. Well, I'll get it next level. Shoot first, kill first, with access to the base level and rank 1 gun mods. Okay. Knowledge of cutting-edge computer encryption allows you to hack advanced terminals. Come Whisper, Become Shadow, you're 20% harder to detect while sneaking. Plus 5% bonus damage means enemies will sometimes explode into a gory red paste. Watch out for flying eyeballs. You know just how to scavenge to keep the fight going and find more ammunition and containers. Vigorous combat training means automatic weapons do 20% more damage. Channel the spirit. Oh wait, my agility is the same. Oh no, my endurance is worse. Channel the spirit of the Old West. Non-automatic pistols do 20% more damage. Cool. And you've learned to discover the wasteland's hidden wealth. Find more bottle caps and containers. Well, well, well. That's good to know. I definitely want what was it? This next time. So yeah. And I say that's a good stopping point for this episode. So thank you everybody for joining us, and have a nice day. Goodbye.